नहमदुहु व नसल्ली व नसल्लिमु अला रसूलिहिल करीम अम्मा बाद फ़अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम हल यस्तविल लज़ीना यअलमून वल लज़ीना ला यअलमून सदक़ल्लाहु मौलानाल अज़ीम व बल्लगना रसूलुहुन नबियुल करीम। Recite salat upon the Holy Prophet. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin tibbil qulubi wa dawaiha.
Allahumma salli ala sayyidina shafi'ina nabiyyina maulana mawlana sallu alayhi.
Respectable audience, this is the anniversary program of Jamia Fil Siddiqiyya Suja Sharif and also the anniversary urus of Hazrat Pir Sayyid Qutb Alam Shah Jilani, in which we must watch the award of the students who are going to graduate in Hifz and Qiraat, Alamiyyat and Fazilat. You people could not achieve this blessing till last 2 years because of lockdown due to COVID-19. This disease surrounded not only our lovely country India but also all over the world, due to which the humanity faced many difficulties where other necessities had to be suspended. At that time the system of education was also temporarily prevented from happening and continuing. All kinds of religious functions as formal social events were stopped. All of us must thank our Almighty Allah Ta'ala on the ending of this disease. You people attend to this anniversary program, but some of you have visited here first time. Our honorable visitors and respectable guests are very fond of getting some knowledge about the founder of this institute and also about his respected family. That's why I have decided to fulfill your desire in short time. Services of Jamia Fil Siddiqiyya Suja Sharif are bright than sun. Not only its internal services but also external services are countless. I mean, the Siddiqiyya Institute has provided hundreds of scholars, Quranic reciters and memorizers. Functions, religious functions as well as net of associations and movements. Masajid and Makatib has also been spreaded all over Rajasthan. These all are going on under the banner of Siddiqui movement. These all are going on under the Siddiqui movement. Founder of these all services is the most pious and the spiritual leader and the highest religious and social scholar and the guider of humanity and the family follower of religion and all kinds of rules and regulations related to that. And the heartbeat of our hearts and the relief for us here and hereafter, Hazrat Pir Sayyid Abu Ghulam Hussain Shah Jilani. He was born at the blessed village named Luni Sharif in Kutch, Gujarat on 25th Muharram 1379 Hijri. He graduated from famous religious school Faiz Akbari, situated in Luni Sharif, 13 Ramzan al-Mubarak 1395 Hijri at Urs Akbari. Then he taught there till 14 years, and in this period he was there as a principal for last 4 years. After graduation, he would come to Rajasthan to convey religious message and to get information about the followers of his ancestor for a month in each year, and he started an anniversary urus of his respected father Hazrat Pir Sayyid Qutb Alam Shah Jilani. It has been 58 years to his father having passed away till today. The leader of Al-Sunnah wal Jamaat founded here this institute, Darul Fil Siddiqiyya, next to his father's shrine in 1406 Hijri. After resigning from Luni Sharif, he has been irrigating it, results and fruits of which are these endless chain of skyscraper buildings in front of us. He established 3 young organizations. First Faizan Garib Niwas for these both areas, named Third Nayyar. Second organizations, Sunni Educational Society for Balotra and near about Balotra's areas. Third organizations, Faizan Jila and Hafiz Millat for Falodi and the zones which are near about Falodi. And under these three organizations, many schools are systematically working to become strong initial education, where thousands of students who belong to countless communities are getting both educations, spiritual and temporal. And recently more than 500 schools in Rajasthan and Gujarat are moving forward to receive their achievement under Siddiqui movement. Likewise, by high-level schools are also going on under the Siddiqui movement, in which the students are taught till 5 standard of Arabic. First, Faizan Jilani in Kharia. Second, Ziaul Mustafa in Barmer City. Third, Faizan Mustafa in Balotra City. Fourth, Faizan Hasanain Karim in Pandava Jagir. Fifth, Gulshan Mustafa in Kalala Sharif. Besides this, Memuna Institute is about to get ready for providing high-level education to girls. And more, Faizan Jila and Hafiz Millat Institute at Pagiu Kidan in Falodi has an unparalleled exceptional excellences which is under construction these days. Services of leader of Al-Sunnati wal Jama'ah are unique and unlike, and in these zones areas he is a really formally protector in God of Al-Sunnati wal Jama'ah at this time. We all audience must always pray for him a long life with strong health and for this institute. May it grow more than more day by day. May it protect from downfall and decline and from jealousy of jews. May in generation and family of our guider get growth till the end of this world. May this always be busy on this religious way and take services from them with sincerity and fidelity. And may followers of them and helpers of this institute and take part and help more continuously with sincerity. Now I am going to conclude this program. Thanks a lot to all of you for listening to me. Assalamu alaikum.